Koji is an unsung hero in many things. It's responsible for sake, soju, soy sauce, and miso, just to name a few. In the cases of soy sauce and miso, they're full of umami, they tenderize meat, improve their texture. It's wonderful. But they both taste like something, particularly miso. Thanks to every single high-end Japanese restaurant outside of Japan, everyone knows miso black cod. It's wonderful. It has sweetness, it has texture, it has everything. But it tastes like miso, and after a few times in a row, it gets old. But when koji rice is simply mixed with just salt and water, you get miso's less evil younger brother, who's neutral, who's more subtle, who's not in your face, but who does the job. So, today, we're going to make some shio koji. Very simple. It's one of my favorite marinades for anything from sashimi to a Sunday roast. If you've never tried it before, I would suggest you buy the ready-made ones, because nowadays they're so good, especially the liquid form ones. Try it once or twice in your steak, in your pork, or for your sashimi. See if you like it before you commit to this. So, very simple. We have the koji rice and the salt. All we need to do is take a scale, find a jar. I think we'll add about 200 grams of koji rice. Okay, there must be a better way to do this. It's a bit too late for me now. To that, we add 1/3 salt. So for 200, we add 66.66667 grams of salt and about 350 ml water. Now, all we need to do is we mix until the salt is fully dissolved. We close the lid. And this needs about a week, during which I would try to stir it once every day. And after 7 days, this goes into the fridge and it's ready to upgrade your seafood, your meat. After 7 beautiful days, we have our shio koji. This is the consistency you should expect. Almost congee-like a really poorly made congee. This is now good to go in the fridge. There's one extra option. If you're using this exclusively for fish or to thicken your sauces, I would blend it. If you're ever going to use it for meat, I'll keep it as is, because the rice texture makes it easier to clean it off the meat after marination. I'm sure in the coming days we'll be doing some recipes with this wonderful ingredient. If you've never tried it before, I highly recommend that you at least try it once. This is shio koji, miso's less evil younger brother. I hope you enjoy.